your dentist, Dr. Saul speaking. Hope you're all keeping well and during this period, which I know is very difficult for lots of us. Just thought we'd give you a quick message just to remind you how important it is to make sure you guys are looking after your teeth and to make sure that your mummies and your daddies are helping you look after your teeth as well. So just got a couple of little bits of information, a couple of tips, a couple of reminders for you guys so that when you come back after all of this is finished and we see you and you've got really nice sparkling teeth, we can make sure you can dive straight into the magic bus where there's lots of toys and treats waiting for you guys. So, first things first, we want to make sure our teeth are really nice and clean. And I know that for the older ones, you've been seeing Fiona, the hygienist, and we've given you lots of information. I'm just going to give you a very quick reminder about how we brush our teeth properly. And this is also for parents, okay? So remember, these are your teeth, okay? And you're going to get your toothbrush, so it could be a manual toothbrush, or some of you might have an electric toothbrush, which is fine, so long as we're using it correctly. So remember, if you are under the age of 3, so if your kids are under the age of 3, you only want to use a tiny little bit of toothpaste, so a smear of toothpaste, about as much as a grain of rice or nail varnish on a baby finger, for example. Over the age of 3, you want to use a pea-sized amount. And remember, after brushing, we want to make sure that your kids, and all of you kids, you spit out the toothpaste, don't rinse it out. So you put the toothpaste on your brush, and what I find is a lot easier, and for parents as well, is if you start in different sections, okay? So maybe you want to start at the top right section, then top left, then bottom right, then bottom left. And that way we know we've covered the whole mouth all the way around, and then afterwards we brush the tongue. And there's no tongue on here, but we'll make sure it's nice and clean. So we want to make sure, remember, whenever we brush, we want to be doing little circles, okay? So little circles all the way around the gum. We want to aim the toothbrush into the gum like this, all the way around on the outside like this. And then we do the same on the inside like this. And then after you've brushed the section, make sure you give a good scrub on the biting surface. And for all of you kids who are starting to get new teeth through, so from about the age of 6, you'll be getting your big molars through. Don't forget, you need to go a little bit further back, scrubbing all the way at the very back. So that way, we're going to brush on the outside all the way around, on the inside all the way around, and the biting surfaces. And then we do the same at the bottom. Okay, and then you spit out at the end and your teeth will be really super clean. Ideally, we would love you to be brushing for 2 minutes, okay? So every morning after breakfast and every night before you go to bed for 2 minutes. Now, if you've only got a few teeth in your mouth or your kids only have a few teeth, try to aim for 3 to 5 seconds per tooth. So don't worry too much at this point if you're not getting a full 2 minutes. We just want to make sure you're getting a good scrub where the tooth and the gum touch each other, because that's where all the little bits of bacteria collect and can cause some problems. Some other information, other tips which you can do. Some of the older kids, you might find it easier, or parents find it easier. Just to check how clean your kids' teeth are, is you can get what's called a plaque disclosing tablet, or other things which look like a cotton bud. This is what they look like. They come in a pack like this. You can buy them on the pharmacy, you can buy them from Amazon or any of these types of places. It's called plaque disclosing tablets. And what you do is you take one out. You don't even need one. You can take one and break it in half. I would definitely encourage you to do this over the sink, not where there's any carpet. It's vegetable extract which is in these, so don't worry about any animal products or animal dyes. But what happens is you chew the tablet beforehand. After you've chewed it, and you swish it all the way around the mouth, it will discolor the teeth. And the parts of the teeth where there's lots of plaque built up will turn like a dark red or a purpley color, purpley blue. And that shows where you are missing when you're doing the brushing. So that tends to be, for most people, that dark blue, purple area is around the gum line. So that's where you need to brush. Then what you do is you have a good brush. You brush all the teeth and all the way around the gum. And then you can use the tablet, the other half of the tablet again, and you'll show how you've improved your brushing. And that's a good way for you in the meantime, just to make sure you're keeping your teeth really nice and clean. In the meantime, we are available to be contacted if you guys have any questions. You have our email addresses, so please feel free to email myself or Caroline, and we will do everything we can to help you. But in the meantime, please keep your teeth really nice and clean and fresh, because when those little ones fall out, you'll hopefully be getting a visitor from a very nice person called the Tooth Fairy, and I'll make sure that she gets the message. So keep well, keep safe, and we look forward to seeing you guys soon.